using parentheses. The elements of a set are written and separated by commas. For example, set A containing the 5 vowels of the English alphabets is written as A is equal open bracket A, E, I, O, U, close bracket. The set are denoted by capital letters and the elements of the set are denoted by small letters. Set notation is further used to represent various set and operations. Further, it is possible to represent the various relation and function across sets only with the help of set notation. Broadly, the set notations can be classified for set representations and for set operations. Let us now study in detail the set notation for set representation and the set formation for set operation. A is equal universal A if the set A is equal open bracket 2, 3, 4, 5 close bracket and universal equal open bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 close bracket. Then A is equal universal negative A is equal open bracket 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 close bracket. Subset. The subset symbol is used to represent a set formed by taking a few elements of a set of a given set. For a set A, open bracket A, B, C, D, E, close bracket. If a new set B, open bracket B, C, D, close bracket, is formed by taking a few elements of a set A, then we say that B is a subset of A, and this is denoted by B subset A. Since there are fewer elements in set B compared to set A, then B is called the proper subset of A. Also, if B had equal or same elements of set A, then it would be denoted as B subset A. Belongs to symbols. E is used if a particular element is said to be belonging to a set A if the set A is equal open bracket ABC close bracket. Then we refer the set element belongs to set A as a set belongs to A, and if a particular elements does not belong to the set A, then kapag yung A may parang hati na, ibig sabihin nun, the symbol means that it does not belong to the set.
The rooster method, also known as the tabular form, is a fundamental technique in the set theory for representing sets by explicitly listing their elements within curly braces. This method is particularly useful for sets with a finite number of elements, for sets where the elements follow a clear, easily describable pattern. The rooster method is a way to show a group is a set by listing each inside curly braces. It's helpful when you have a limited number of items or when there's a simple pattern among them.
Identify the set. Determine the specific object that constitute the set. This could be a set of numbers, letters, or colors, and any other type of elements.
Number 2. List the elements. Enumerate each element of the set within curly braces. Separate the elements by commas. So, for example, in a set is curly braces, then 1, comma, 2, comma, then 3, then curly braces. So, those are the examples of curly braces and elements of comma.
Number 3. Avoid repetition. Each element should appear only at once in the list, even if it occurs multiple times in the original set. Number 4. Use ellipses. For infinite sets or sets with the large of element following a clear pattern, use ellipses to indicate continuation.
Set of natural number. This is the counting of numbers start from 1, 2, 3, and 4. Set of all integers. This is the negative 3, negative 2, and 1. The 0 is a whole numbers. The natural numbers is 1, 2, and 3.
In today's video, we will discuss the even numbers with examples. Let's start with the definition. An even number defined as any integer that completely divisible by 2. This means that all even numbers are multiples by 2. Now, if n is an even number, then from this fact, we can say that n is equal to 2k, where k is an integer. Now, let's look at some examples. The positive even numbers include 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. On the other hand, the negative even numbers include negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8. All of these numbers are divisible by 2. Next, let's learn the notation for the set of all even numbers. The notation is 2 set, where set is represents the set of all integers. This set includes elements like 0, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 8, and so on, where set is the set of all integers.
Set of vowels in the English alphabet, A, E, I, O, U. For example, set A containing the 5 vowels of the English alphabet is written as A equals A, E, I, O, U. The set are denoted by capital letters and the elements of the set are denoted by small letters. Set notation is per Q used to represent various set and operation per Q. It is possible to represent the various relation and function across set only with the help of set notation.
Prime numbers is a whole number greater than 1. The only factors of prime number is the number and 1. Like 2, 3, 5, 7, at 11 is yung factor lang nila is 1. Hindi mo sila mahanapan ng halimbawa 2 times 1 is equals to 2, 3 times 1, 3, 5 times 1 is equals to 5. Sila yung hindi mo mahanapan ng ibang number na i-multiply para maging halimbawa nito 5 times 1 is equals to 5. Kailangan yun din ang sagot na number. Sila yung matatawag mo na prime. Katulad nito, katulad ng 4, pwede mo siyang i-times sa 2 times 2, magiging 4 siya. Matatawag mo bang prime number yon? Kasi ang prime number is sa 1 lang nagpa-factor. Katulad ng number na 13, hahanapan mo siya ng sagot na 13 din ng hahanapan mo siya ng ita-times na ibang number na magiging 13 din ang sagot. 'Di ba wala? Kaya sa 13 times 1 is equals to 13. Matatawag mo siyang prime kasi sa 1 siya na multiply.